Welcome to today's edition of The Good, the Bad and the Ugly, especially curated from the world of economy and business today. Let's start with the good. In its ongoing clampdown on shell companies, the Bombay Stock Exchange has informed that it will delist over 200 companies starting May 11 because they had not been traded for 6 months at least. Shell companies have largely been used to layer corporate holdings as well as to hide corporate and individual identities to camouflage the movement of funds, which is mostly in black money. The center has already deregistered over 2 lakh shell companies where no business was happening for years. Under the norms of compulsory delisting, the delisted firm, its whole-time director, promoters as well as related firms are barred from accessing the capital markets for at least 10 years. The promoters are also required to buy the shares in public at a fair value decided by a third-party valuer. Such ongoing clampdown on shell companies as well as such rogue firms is good for the industry and the economy. And now to the bad. The rupee has plunged to another low, its lowest in 15 months, to 67.48 to a dollar on rising fears of global crude prices as well as withdrawal of investments from India's equity markets. High dollar demand from the importers led to almost a 40 paise fall in the rupee just yesterday. With the US set to reimpose sanctions against Iran, almost 1 billion barrels of oil will not be available in the market on a daily basis. This could trigger yet another rally in the crude oil prices, which are at $76.95 right now, and it could take it past $80 a barrel. This will have direct impact on India, which imports over 80% of its crude requirement. It would raise local prices of petrol and diesel, increase inflation and impact GDP growth. And now to the ugly. Even though the consortium of 13 Indian banks has won an order in the UK High Court against fugitive businessman Vijay Mallya, their struggle to recover nearly 10,000 crore of dues in principal and interest from him is far from over. Mallya has about a month to appeal against the order, after which officers in UK can start attaching his assets in UK. However, they are constrained by an opaque ownership structure of his assets in UK, which will make it difficult to prove that those assets are indeed owned by him. This may make it a long and protracted battle to recover the dues from this fugitive businessman. That's what makes this ugly. If you enjoyed watching this content, please subscribe to the Business Today YouTube channel and also like us on Facebook. Our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/businesstoday. Follow Business Today on Twitter India at @BT_India and subscribe to our YouTube channel Business Today India.